If you want your garden to stand out with vivid blossoms in the hotter months of the year, then you're in for a treat. These are the most stunning perennial flowers that bloom all summer. Coneflower. This popular perennial flower produces bright daisy-like blooms in shades of pink, purple, and white. Coneflowers are easy to grow and attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Rudbeckia. With its cheerful yellow petals and dark center, the black-eyed Susan is a classic summer flower. It thrives in full sun and well-draining soil. Coreopsis. These sun-loving flowers come in shades of yellow, orange, and red, and their delicate daisy-like blooms add a bright pop of color to any garden. Allium. Alliums come in a vibrant range of colors, from yellow and white to pink and purple. Their globe-shaped florets sit atop tall stems, creating a charming element in any garden. Bee balm. With its showy blooms that last from July through August, bee balm is a must-have in any garden. Its fragrant flowers are irresistible to butterflies and hummingbirds. Lavender. Lavender is beloved for its delightful scent, making it a popular choice in gardens. This versatile plant makes an excellent border and prefers well-draining soil in full sunlight. Perennial Geranium. Perennial Geranium is an ideal plant for borders, adding a beautiful touch to any landscape. With its tiny yet vivid flowers, it blooms continuously for months, starting from late spring. Shasta Daisy. Shasta daisies are a classic summer flower. With their bright white petals and sunny yellow centers, these perennials thrive in full sun and well-draining soil. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is a sun-loving plant that's adored by both hummingbirds and butterflies. It starts blooming later in the summer and comes in multiple shades of eye-catching colors. Phlox. Garden phlox boasts a dazzling display of fragrant blooms in shades of pink, purple, white, or red, making it a showstopper in any garden. Perennial Salvia. If you want the best displays of blooms in the summer, then grow Blue Hill, Victoria Blue, Caradonna, and May Not. It does the best in bright and indirect sunlight. Russian Sage. Russian sage produces tall, airy spikes of lavender blue flowers that add a graceful touch to any garden. This hardy perennial thrives in hot and dry conditions. Yarrow. While the species typically produces white flower clusters, there are various cultivars that feature flowers in different hues. Yarrow is a perennial plant that thrives in summer. Ice plant. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, long-lasting perennial with vibrant flowers and distinctive foliage, consider Delosperma cooperi, also known as ice plant. Butterfly bush. The Buddleia genus comprises perennials and deciduous shrubs, with some varieties in colder climates dying back to the ground in winter and resprouting in spring. Autumn joy stonecrop. This plant produces late summer blooms that gradually change color from pink to rust red or purple as fall approaches. Fringed bleeding heart. This perennial plant produces blooms for approximately 3 months throughout the growing season, which spans from late spring through late summer in Zone 5. Serbian bellflower. This low-growing, mat-forming plant produces an abundance of blooms for a period of 2 months in late spring and early summer, making it an excellent addition to any garden. Red hot poker. These plants produce flowers from late spring to mid-summer and have a more compact growth habit, reaching only 1 to 2 feet in height. Catmint. Catmint is a popular ground cover that usually reaches a height of about 8 to 12 inches. It produces blooms from spring to early fall. Iris. This plant is renowned for its dependable display of snowy white flowers in both spring and autumn, making it one of the most effortless perennials to cultivate. Roses. They offer near continuous blooming during the summer and are remarkably resistant to diseases while being quite hardy. These flowers also come in many shades. Clematis. Add a touch of charm to your garden with Jackmani clematis, featuring stunning royal purple petals that adorn the plant in early summer. Hydrangea. While most hydrangeas produce flowers only once in a season, Endless Summer is different, as it blooms on all new growth, allowing for multiple blooms throughout the summer. Astilbe. Its feathery flowers not only look stunning, swaying in the breeze with lovely fragrances, making it perfect for planting in containers around seating areas. Lupin. For a vibrant and enduring burst of color in your garden, consider planting lupin with its tall cone-shaped flowers that bloom all through the summer season. Lily turf. If you're seeking a perennial plant that will provide gorgeous white flowers throughout the summer season, Monroe White Lily Turf is an excellent choice. Dahlia. You can grow these gorgeous blooms in borders or pots, and they make an ideal choice for cut flowers. It keeps on flowering from June until the first frost. Sedum Voodoo. Sedum Voodoo offers a multifaceted appeal that's sure to please. Its succulent-like leaves create a striking architectural aspect that serves as an ideal backdrop for red flowers. Dianthus. Dianthus is another superb perennial plant that delivers beautiful and lasting color throughout the summer. Cranesbill Geranium. Not only does this plant generate a profusion of blooms from May to July, but its vigorous growth ensures a second wave of blossoms in late summer if you trim them back. Hollyhocks. Yellow hollyhocks feature stunning golden blooms that bring months of sunny color to your garden, come rain or shine. They make an excellent choice for the rear of borders. Peonies. Peony, Inspector Laverne, thrives in hot sunny conditions and rewards your efforts with magnificent full-bodied double flowers in a rich pink-red hue. Foam flower. The foam flower is indigenous to woodland and thrives in areas with partial or dappled shade. From April to the end of summer, this plant produces graceful white flowers. Bugleweed. Bugleweed is an excellent choice to add a pop of color to a dull shaded area in your garden. Its vivid blue flowers bloom abundantly throughout the summer. Vinca. The annual vinca is a tropical perennial plant that is commonly grown as an annual in many regions. It features flowers and foliage that bear a striking resemblance to impatiens. Summer rose. Adding these beauties to your garden landscape can be a dreamy and enchanting experience. It grows best in full sun and well-draining soil. Lantana. They thrive best in high-temperature hardiness zones and in regions that experience cold winters. Lantanas bloom as annual flowers rather than as tender perennials. Blanket flowers. Once established, this drought and heat-tolerant plant require little care, making it an easy addition to any garden. It is also a magnet to birds and butterflies. Spider lily. Spider lily is an elegant indoor plant with pristine white flowers that radiate from around the center, creating a spider-like appearance. Bush clockvine. This plant boasts clusters of trumpet flowers that will add a vibrant touch to your garden. The dramatic lavender blue flowers stand out against the dark green heart-shaped leaves. Geranium. While they are typically grown as annuals in most zones, they can thrive as evergreen perennials in the warmer zones. Bleeding heart. An herbaceous perennial, it is an attractive plant with arching sprays of heart-shaped pink flowers. It grows best in moist, well-drained soil in partial shade. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration.